Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I got the Galaxy S10 5G, and I got the Galaxy S10 5G Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector. And what we gonna do is, we're gonna install it on here, and we're gonna test out the fingerprint scanner. Alright, so before I do any of this, let me do the fingerprint scanner right now. You can see, works just fine. If I leave it off here, I'm gonna go ahead and do it again, and you can see it still works. And that's with the screen protector that comes with the Galaxy S10 5G. So yeah, anyways, let's go around the box real quick. We got Whitestone Dome Glass. We got Galaxy S10 5G over here and Galaxy S10 5G right here. Patent pending. We got the full ultrasonic recognition, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. Now what they're claiming is they're the only company that you can put a screen protector on your phone and you can use the fingerprint scanner. And yes, you're gonna have to re-register your fingerprint, so don't forget that. And we also do get a UV light on here, and this just came out for the S10 5G. On the back, we got all that info that I'm not gonna read, so y'all can go ahead and do that. And yeah, let's go ahead and pop into this box real quick. So I'm not gonna do no voiceover or anything. I was gonna do that before, but we ain't doing it now. But this is everything we got in the box. Go and take that out. That's it. If you're wondering about this wallpaper, I'll leave a link down below so you can download it, because I swear, man, this thing is dope. Anyways, let's go and look inside this box right here. Pulling this out, we have our UV light, so you're gonna need that. Put that to the side because you're gonna need that a little bit later. That's what you're gonna use. You're gonna cure that to your screen, basically. Got nothing else in here, and over here we got our user manual. We ain't gonna need this. And here we got all our tools that we gonna need. Some cloths here, you can throw that to the side. We got these foam pads here. You're gonna have to go ahead and install that on here. I didn't think that we would need to because you don't have to on the S10 Plus and all that. And then we just got some more alcohol and stuff like that, and that's pretty much it. And then we just got some more alcohol wipes, some dust remover stickers, and then we got this. You're gonna need that soon, don't worry about that. But okay, so first thing you want to do is go and turn off your phone. So I'm gonna go and power that off right now. Okay, there we go. And what you want to go and do is, don't forget this, but go and take off the screen protector that comes with your S10 5G. If you took it off, okay, then cool. But if you have it on, make sure you take that off. Just peel from anywhere, really. Just try to get it off. That's pretty much how you do it. You can do the same thing with the Whitestone Dome. So if you want that off later, then you can do that. So there we go. Finally got that off. And just go and put your phone to the side again. Now what you're gonna need in here is, this is what you're gonna put on your earpiece speaker later. You're definitely gonna need these adhesives. You're definitely gonna need this. And inside here, we got the actual screen protector. So pretty much just go ahead and take that out right now. And then this actually comes in 2 pieces. So I'm just gonna put that right there. So pretty much what you need to know is, you need to have a flat surface, just like this table right here. And you need to have some time. You need to have some patience, because if you don't, then this ain't gonna roll smooth. But I'm gonna go and clear off my table right now. You can just go ahead and follow what I do. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw these dust remover stickers, this over here. Just put that to the side. We don't really need all this right now. We're gonna obviously need that phone later. Pretty much just all you're gonna need for the time being. Don't put anything away, just put it to the side. But the first thing you wanna do is go ahead and clean your phone. So go ahead and grab one of these alcohol wipes here and just go ahead and open that up. But you can see how my screen is kind of dirty right here, like over here by the hole punch. So just go ahead and clean off your screen. Go and get all the dust and the fingerprints and all that off of there. Go ahead and make sure you get the edges too. You gotta get that all good and clean. And I think we're looking good. So now what you're gonna do is go ahead and grab one of these cloths over here. Again, pretty much just do the same thing. Clean the phone real good, get the edges good. And cool, so we're not all the way done yet, but go ahead and put your phone in this tray, so just this direction. So you see it says speaker right here, right? This side up. So go ahead and put your phone in here with the speaker that side up, so that speaker right there. Go ahead and line that up right there. Go ahead and grab these dust remover stickers. I kid you not, you is gonna need these things, so don't just throw it to the side. And just go and dab your phone with this. Don't touch your finger on here or anything. Just go ahead and make sure you get all the dust off of here. Not gonna put any residue or anything on your screen, so you don't gotta worry about that. Now what you're gonna go and do is grab one of these here. So just go and peel that off of here and go ahead and put this on your earpiece. So you're gonna put this on here, so you make sure you don't get any adhesive in your speaker. So just go ahead and line that up there and then just press that down on your screen. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that alcohol wipe again just to make sure I didn't get any fingerprints on there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clean that up real quick. Use this, get that dust remover sticker on here, and we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of this tray here. So just go ahead and place that to the side. And what you wanna go ahead and do is put this tray on here, so the same direction where you can see the text on here. So now what you're gonna go ahead and do is, if you see this tray right here, it says speaker, it says S10 at the top. You're gonna go ahead and put that the same direction it says right here. So just go ahead and line that up right there. Now you can see these two little slits right here. So you're gonna go ahead and just put these absorption pads right up in there. And then the same thing for the other side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this again just to make sure we got all the dust off of here. Okay, cool, looks good. Now what you're gonna go ahead and do is grab this, slide this into the slot right up here, push that in there. Okay, we're good. And go ahead and grab this tray right here and just go ahead and put it right here. So there's two indents right there, just go ahead and put it in there. Make sure you're still good for dust. I don't see any dust out here. And go ahead and grab that screen protector that came in the box. Just go and slide that out of there. But don't peel that off yet. Do not peel that off yet. What you want to do is, it doesn't matter which one of these, but just go ahead and grab one of these. Go ahead and untwist this purple part right here, and then just go ahead and put that in the hole right there in the tray. It's not gonna drip yet, just don't worry about that. But now we're about to start making it drip. So what we gotta do is just go ahead and just make sure, like I said, the table is fully flat. And just go ahead and twist off that black cap right here. And there we go. So the adhesive should be dripping right now. Give that like, I don't know, 30 seconds or so, and then just let it rock out. Okay, cool. So I think we're done now. We could just go ahead and take that off here and take that tray off. And you can just go ahead and throw that away. Go ahead and take that tray off here. Just go ahead and put that to the side. And now you're gonna go ahead and take this off. And now what you're gonna do is just go ahead and put it in the tray this way, and then just go ahead and lay that in there. Now here's the next step. You're gonna go ahead and just tilt this forward. So go ahead and just press on the bottom here and just go ahead and put that towards the center. I'm gonna go ahead and scoot that over just a little bit and just make sure it's pretty centered. And that looks just about good to me. So now what you're gonna go ahead and do is just take off this, and there we go. Now give this about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Probably not even that long. I'd say give it like 2 minutes to fully cover. I know you want to, but don't go ahead and just press on the screen protector to go ahead and just make it go quicker. I know you do this with regular tempered glass screen protectors, but with this, just go ahead and let it do it itself. So I'm gonna go and set a timer for 2 minutes, and then we'll see if it's done. All right, y'all, so it's been 2 minutes on here, and I went ahead and checked this back, and it looks like it's done now. So don't go ahead and take out the phone yet. We're not ready to do that yet. Go ahead and take this is your UV light, and just go ahead and put these up here. Go ahead and take that charger that came with it, plug it into here. And now what we're gonna go ahead and do is, we're gonna go ahead and put this right over here at the bottom. Go and take a portable charger or something and just go ahead and plug that thing in. And now what we're gonna go ahead and do is, in this order, we're gonna go and turn this thing on by pressing this button right here. We're gonna go and let this Whitestone Dome Glass set here until the light turns off. And then when it turns off, move it to the middle, go and turn it back on, and then just wait for it to turn off. When it turns off, go ahead and move it to the top, turn it on, and then wait for it to turn off. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this do this until it turns off, and then when it turns off, I'm gonna go ahead and just move it to the middle and then the top, in that order, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so we're done now. We can go and put that to the side. We're gonna need that again. But now you could go ahead and take out the phone. And I'll go ahead and just get this thing out. And we're good. You can take this off too. But go and grab that alcohol wipe and just go ahead and clean the corners. It look like I kind of messed up here at the top, but you know what? It's all good. And now what you're gonna go and do is put your finger right around this area and just hold it here for a minute. That's where the fingerprint scanner is. So press firm, but not too firm to the point where this might just slide off. All right, so now that that's done, go ahead and put that back in the tray. And you're gonna go ahead and just put this thing back on here at the bottom again. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing. So bottom, middle, top, and then you're done. All right, so now we're done. I ain't gonna lie, I got kind of hungry, so I grabbed some Twizzlers. I'm gonna just go and throw that to the side. But you can just go ahead and take that off and then take the phone out. Go ahead and press onto this area again for about a minute. For the last part, you're gonna go ahead and just clean this off again, and then you're done. Now, if you mess this up like I kind of did, you can just go ahead and get another screen protector. You could go and hit them up, and then you could get a replacement for pretty cheap. Since you bought it, you could just go and get another one for cheap. So I actually leave a link down below so you can go and do that. Or if you have another one in there, obviously just use that. And that's the install. So it looks pretty nicely aligned. Like, that was actually a pretty good job besides that right there. You can see the hole punch, that's pretty aligned. Corners, pretty good. And yeah, now we can go and turn this phone on. Galaxy S10 5G, God, this is such a big phone. And that stupid little Verizon Boo logo right there, man, I hate when Verizon does that. Now what you're gonna go ahead and do is go over to your settings, scroll down to biometrics and security, fingerprints, put in your PIN, and pretty much just go ahead and hold on to one of these, go ahead and click on all, and then remove them all. And then you're gonna go ahead and have to re-register your Samsung Pay and all that. But go ahead and add a fingerprint, and I'll go ahead and add all my fingerprints, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so we're all done here, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on done. I'm gonna go ahead and back out of all these menus, and then go over to display. Scroll down, and then go ahead and turn on touch sensitivity. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is test out this fingerprint scanner. So, first try, Wow, that was actually way better than I thought. That actually works way better than I thought. So I'm gonna go and use my index finger right here. That works good. Go and use my other thumb. That's good. And we're gonna go and use my other index fingers. So there we go. So it's all good now. So like I said, besides that, it works pretty good. You gotta go and press a little bit harder when you unlock your phone, but besides that, it works pretty good. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all. I'm gonna go and hit up Whitestone Dome, see if they can send me another one, and then hopefully we'll be all good. But go and like this video if you did, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe because I do a lot of Samsung stuff. Also, if you want to go and buy one of these for your S10e, S10, S10 Plus, or S10 5G, I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.